You're welcome again once more to the RTL Resources Learning Management System. My name is Osimi God's Gift. So I decided to make this video because some of us are students and many of us rather, or some of us, if you're a student or you don't have access to a laptop system, you can actually start coding with your phone. That's the aim of this video. So I want to show you how you can get your coding environment ready for this lesson, for this part, for this training. So remember, the system, the RTL system is at your own space. So whenever you have time, you can continue learning. You can pause for a while, have a break, rest, come back again and continue. So it's no stress, no rush. I'm not rushing you. So let's get the number one tool you need is the mobile code editor called Acode. So you can get Play Store. Play Store, you will see. Just go and type code on your Play Store. See it in already. Type Acode, see the name, search for it, and then it will show me. I have it already in my phone. It's even telling me to update it, but I will not update it for now. So after downloading the app, so it will be on your phone. Then this is the app. You enter the very wonderful app. It's very nice. I've been coding with it for a while now, and I can tell you for a fact that it's a great app and you really enjoy it. So now the app is opened, it's loading. I have some files here, so it's taking time to load. So it's open now. So as the app opens, you will see your document at this side. So first of all, to get started with your code, you have to create a folder. So you go to your file manager. So what I clicked on file manager, and then I enter my internal storage, and then I want to create a file inside download. So I enter download and press here. The way you create a folder, normally you create a folder, and then I named the folder RTL. Let me just give it 2 because I have another RTL folder there. So the folder is created already. Look at it, RTL2. This is RTL2. So after creating the folder, I go back to enter the applications, but the folder has not shown here, so I have to find that folder. How do I find that folder? By clicking this 3 dot button you are seeing here, this 3 dot, you click it, then you enter file, then it will take you to you see internal storage. You go to your internal storage, sit on top, click it, internal storage, then you look for the download folder, then you search for your ROT. Look at it, ROTL2. This is the folder I created earlier. Then I click on it. Now see this bar on top is telling me that I am inside my internal storage and inside a folder called download that is inside internal storage. Then I am now inside another folder called ROTL2, which is inside the download folder. So this bar tells you where you are now in your files. So I am currently inside my ROTL folder. So I create a file. Take note, a new file, not folder, file, new file. So the first file you create as a front-end developer is the index.html or HTML file. So take note of what I did. I did index.html. So we save, and it says system recognize that it is an HTML file. Then the second file I create is the file for styling, which is style.css. That is style is there. Then the last is JavaScript, which is what script.js. So these are the 3 files. Then after creating this file, take note, I click this button here, then it will now take me back to my code editor. Then if I click here now, I will see that my RTL file is now there. So I'll just enter, then enter one of the files. So currently now I am in my working environment. This is the place where I'll have to write all my code that I'm going to use. So before I close the video, I want to show you what these buttons mean. So these buttons you are seeing, what they do, their function. I want to talk about the functions of this button. Before I do that, let me just set up my working environment. So the first thing you write is your doc type HTML. Then you put your HTML tag. Then you indicate the language you want the file to be. So it's English. So EN stands for English. So inside the tag, you put in your head tag. Don't worry, as you go along, you see there are a lot of lessons, documents, videos that you watch on this learning management system that will teach you what this. But my basic aim of doing this video now is to just tell you how to set up your learning environment, so that when you start learning, you can be coding along, because that's the best way to learn. If you don't code along, you cannot learn coding. That's just the truth. It's not a matter of reading many books. It's a matter of practicing it, doing it. So these are the basic schematics you need. So this button here means if you want to like rename the file, you want to do some other formatting stuff, then this one is for search file, save file, and other things, settings, tools, find file, other things. Then this button you are seeing here is the play button. It shows you what you have done, but since I've not put anything now, it's showing blank. So you put your content of the web page inside the body tag. So let me put a p tag and let me write something. Let me say hello, welcome to the RTL LMS learning management system. So you see that this, when I did this just now, there's a light showed here telling me that I'm not saved. So this button here is to save your file. So anytime you work, save your file. You can also go to the setting to put auto save if you like. So I will press the play button and then you'll see that it's telling me hello, welcome to RTL. So this, like this, my coding environment is set. I'm ready to code anytime. So this is all I have for the video. Do well to continue with the lessons. Then at the end of the lesson, at the end of the course, if you like to get a certificate, you click the next button at the last lesson 10. You click the next button to lesson 10. So it will take you to a page that will tell you what you need to do to get certified in the course. So for now, my name is God. Keep to see me. God bless you.